Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So here we are doing exercise question answer of the unit third second read, the black aeroplane. Okay, so let's start the question answers. You should write those question answers in your notebook, and before that a glossary of the same. Okay. Okay, student, let's start the question answer of the unit third, read 2, the black aeroplane. First question on page number 40. I will take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it? Okay, ये पहला क्वेश्चन है. जब वो पेरिस से 150 किलोमीटर्स बाहर जब अपना ओल्ड डेकोटा जो प्लेन है वो फ्लाई करके निकलते हैं, तो सडनली वो देखते हैं कि सामने माउंटेन जैसे काले बादल हैं और उनको घर जाना है. इंग्लैंड अभी उनको याद आ रहा है, फैमिली याद आ रहा है, इसलिए वो काले बादल में से अपना जो प्लेन है वो निकालने का रिस्क लेने की बात कर रहे हैं. एंड वाई डज, ठीक है, उसका ये मीनिंग. और क्या, कौन सा रिस्क? तो काले बादल में से अपने प्लेन को निकालने का. तो इसको इंग्लिश में हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. नैरेट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम फ्रांस टू इंग्लैंड and England is the hometown, okay, or the home place of the narrator. So he was very happy and eager to go there. While he was flying from the Paris, it was very good atmosphere, nice clean sky was there. But after crossing almost 150 kilometers, then he suddenly saw that there are black clouds like a mountain with the storm. But he was but he was eager to go to the home, want to pass some time with the family, and want to have some nice English breakfast. So he was dreaming about his home and his family. So it was the risk that in storm, that kind of aeroplane, the pilot is not entering in the storm. But so it was the risk. So and that is why he said that I will take the risk. Okay, and why does the narrator take it? So he was very eager to meet his family. He was very eager to reach at home. So he has taken the risk. इस तरह से इसका हम आंसर पूरा लिख सकते हैं. दूसरा, डिस्क्राइब द नैरेट्स एक्सपीरियंस एज ही फ्लू द एरोप्लेन इनटू द स्टॉर्म. ओके, तो इसको हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि when almost narrate, sorry, यहीं से शुरू करते हैं कि narrate was going from France to England. So from he has taken off his black Dakota, old Dakota from the Paris. It was very nice and clear atmosphere there. But after crossing almost 150 kilometers, he saw that in front of him the black clouds were there like a mountain, and with the storm also. But he was very eager to go to home. So he has taken the risk and he has entered into the black clouds. When he has entered the black clouds storm, inside the clouds everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. I looked at the um, Narret was explaining that when he has looked to the compass, it was not working. Okay, and radio was also dead. So the storm was very dangerous, and with less fuel and that old Dakota, no one can take risk, but Narret has taken. इस तरह से ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर हम लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, वाई डज द नरेटर सेज आई लैंडेड एंड वॉज नॉट सॉरी टू वॉक अवे फ्रॉम द ओल्ड डैकोटा. सी इसका आंसर हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि नैरेट वॉज फ्लाइंग. सब आई थिंक इसके क्वेश्चन सबके आंसर्स इसी तरह से स्टार्ट होंगे कि नैरेट वॉज फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम पेरिस टू or the France to England, but he was having old Dakota aeroplane, and the fuel capacity was not that much in that aeroplane. And as we know that the aeroplane was with the old technology, so the parts or the instrument or the facility of the aeroplane also from the ancient time or the old with the old technology. So he has when he has entered to the storm, and the aeroplane was not proper that time, and was totally dead. It was not supporting him, but he was not sorry for that, because he has taken the risk, and because he wanted to reach at home. Okay, so even though he has taken the risk, the old Dakota was not able to take him to the home, so he was not sorry to walk away from that old Dakota. इसका आंसर हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. What made the woman in the control center looked at the Narret strangely? जो कंट्रोल सेंटर में वुमन बैठी थी वो नैरेट के सामने स्ट्रेंजली देखे ऐसा क्या हुआ था. What made, उसको ऐसा क्या लगा. Okay, when with the huge courage, Narret has came out from the dangerous storm, also came out from the black clouds like mountains. He has shown directly that runway. Okay, and he has landed his old black Dakota on that, and directly he has gone to the control center, and he has asked to a woman were sitting there that where is the another pilot. Okay, so where is the another pilot of the black aeroplane. So it was very strange for the woman, because she wasn't able to see any another plane in from her radar, and it was not possible also to fly in the dangerous storm. So she was very surprised, and she was very strange to the narrate. The fifth question, who do you think helped the narrator to reach safely? Discuss this among yourself and give the reason for your answer. ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन है. ये पंच लाइन है पूरे रीड का. ठीक है, मैंने आपको रीड जब एक्सप्लेन किया तभी भी बताया था. चलिए हम करते हैं. When Narret has taken the risk to enter the dark clouds, as previously he was knowing before entering that it was really dangerous and it was really risky, but when he has entered there was everything dark, he was not able to see out from the aeroplane. Radar and radio has totally dead. It was not helping him that time, but he was having courage, so he has taken that risk, and he just has traveled north with his courage, and uh, because of that because he was having the courage, he was thinking that someone is helping, but only his soul or the mind was helping him, and there was an illusion that another black aeroplane was there, but the only his courage was that who has helped him. On my opinion, no one has helped him to reach safely to the airport, but only his courage has helped him to do so. ओके, तो इस तरह से ये 5 क्वेश्चन उसके आंसर हम लिख सकते हैं। ठीक, ओके, तो ये हमने क्वेश्चन आंसर किए हैं, आपको आपकी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं और उसके साथ ग्लोसरी भी। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक गुड बाय।